Welcome everyone to Open to Abundance. Let's now start with our initial opening prayer. In the name of abundance, the love of money, and the infinity of the multiverse. To begin with, abundance is not only the pleasure but also the withdrawal phase, the pain, the cyclical moments of happiness, sadness that envelops the contentment and satisfaction of everything. Money is everything, but everything is not money. You can buy the whole world, but the world is not all about you. It is really a fine wine to be simply just be you. To be open to the pieces of the puzzles is to go to the paradise of the paradoxes and be finally free yourselves from yourselves for yourselves. Unnamed. So for today's topic is about the earth. So what is the earth? We have on earth the primary stuff of the soil, which we could conclude that we came from the soil, the soul, and so from the soul, just like an apple, as they say, we are people, right? People. And I think that the term earth is came from the heart. Really, it's the heart, right? It's the same as the soil, the heart. So I guess the understanding of the earth will be straight from the heart. So that's it. I think now we know the expansion of the term earth. Simply soil, soul, people, and the heart. We're going to the next part. For the matrix of the earth, we need to box in ourselves with the basic stuff again. So for the x-axis, we need the heaven and hell, right? Mm, hell, very negative thing, but we gotta do it. We gotta square the whole earth. I mean the earth, the matrix of the earth. So we gotta put on the left side hell and in the right side heaven. And the bottom top analysis would be the basics again. Uh, the rich and the poor. Yeah, we gotta put the rich at the top and the poor at the bottom as metrics. So now we have the cross again. The rich, the poor, hell, and heaven. Basics, basics, basic stuff. To simplify things up. So if on earth there's a people that have status that is rich, and if we ask what is their heaven, I guess it's not just a simple thing. Just like money, what is money? And control, right? So we're gonna put on the first quarter the term control. That is very straight thing, control. Very good for the rich, but the poor, it's very bad. So we're gonna go for the second quarter now. Earth and the poor people that lives on earth. What is their what is their haven? It's simple, right? It's simple happiness. So we're gonna put happiness for the second quarter, and for the third quarter, this is a negative thing. The left side is always a negative thing, I guess. So For people that live on earth, what is their hell? Of course, it is in what we do in every day, uh, working. You don't need to say slaving as working. Working is fine. At least you earn something to go by and pass by, right? So that's it for the third quarter. Working. You are king in the work. Just kidding. So for the last quarter, what is the hell for the rich? Uh, just like God, eh, when God is bored, he created the world. He said, "Light be born." It's bored. So, so we're gonna put in the fourth quarter the term boredom. It's such a problematic child display. Boredom. So when the rich people are bored, they gotta do something. Other people will do evil. Other people will do good to show their sincerity in life. So that's it for the matrix of the earth. We're gonna go for the next. As for the resolution of the earth, so we're gonna put earth this at the very center, and we're gonna tackle the four quarters. So for the first quarter, we have the problem of control. So what's the problem with control? You are It's just like holding your fist, and you want to punch a thing, right? It's You're in control. You want to be very in control. You feel in control, but um, when you punch a harder thing, then it results to pain. It backfires, right? That's the problem for control. It backfires. Maybe if you are a dictator, then there will be a revolution of some sort. So, what's the solution for control? You must let go a little bit, right? Don't force. Let go your fist. Loosen up. Take a rest. Yeah, you must learn to let go. If you're if you have a problem in controlling things, just let aside and let go a little bit, then go back to being in control. Maybe that's the cycle of these times. Um, the rich will get in control from top to bottom. Then the next cycle, the poor will replace the rich, because the rich will go to another dimension or planets or whatever their money can do for them. So the next quarter, the problem for happiness, right? Very simple. As I said, it's always been a cycle. Go to happiness, go to sadness, search for something new, do something new, and go back to the old ways. Then until you black out and go to the other dimensions and experience things differently. So that's the only way to pass out in imagination on whatever we will become after this world, after this body decays, right? Maybe eternal nothingness, or good to go to another dimensions or multiverse or whatever the imagination is the limit. So that's it for the solution for happiness. Um, if you can do master the NPC mastery, just limit yourself to simple happiness, so it doesn't backfire as well to more sadness. Because if you're more happy, then you are more attached. You will become next cycle more sadness. So that's it. Limit your happiness a little bit. So in some as a recall for control, you must let go a little bit. In happiness, you must limit your happiness. It depends on you to measure things up still. So for the third quarter, there is a problem for working. Well, we really need to reassess our lives. We are working, if you are working a whole day, or it's not even it's not even 8 hours works every day, or because you gotta maintain yourself, you gotta eat, you gotta sleep. That's why what was that called, the passive passive income, because you are getting paid through sleep, right? But it also takes time, I guess. You will earn it later, but it takes time as well, because you're just playing numbers, right? Money is a number game. So what to do? You want to work for money, or you want to money work for you, or you just wanted to print your own money? You make a cookie coin. That's for you. So that's for you to know the system, and to either to follow the system or to create the system, whatever works. So the resolution for working is to take a risk and reevaluate, re-execute yourself. So that's it for the last quarter. We're talking about the problem for the boredom side. So how you solve boredom and not go to do evil stuff. You can do less evil, because eating and sex is such a display of a form of a little evil, maybe necessary evil to feed yourself so you don't die, and to have some form of fun, to not go insane. You have sex or games, right? So we need to consider do less evil and to counter it with more good, right? So I think that's the resolution for boredom, to try something new, to go back to old, or whatever you want. Just make sure you don't get caught if you do evil, and if you do good, you you give it with your heart, because what they call to heart attack. If you do give it with your heart, you can feel the vibration. I think there's a certain type of vibration when you touch someone or something or some idea. There's a certain vibration that lets you sleep at night peacefully, even without the rain background that we all use. It's good to sleep when it's raining, because it's calm. Just like it's good to the ear. So for the summarization, for the resolution of control, we must let go a little bit. For the happiness, um yeah, we must reduce our happiness. Depends on us if we want to maximize happiness, or take a risk for the pain, or to be simply happy and be prepared for the sadness that will come, and for the working, to systemize yourself. Yeah, systemize yourself. What do you really want in life? You want to spend the rest of your life working and pay the pain with your body, or you want to create a system for yourself so you can maximize your gains? So for the fourth quarter, um, yeah, to summarize it, to be more creative and calculative. So that's it. I think that we are done now with the resolution of the earth, because it's kind of problematic. Uh, we are in a problematic times on earth. So I guess I wish I gave you all at least an ideas. So even if basics, I hope that it helps. So I wish everyone on Earth a happy Earth Day. And in advance, I don't even know what's the date of Earth Day. So okay, thank you for watching. See you all. To play.